Assalamualaikum. My name is Muqaddas Fayaz. My college name is Ahmed College of Nursing, Allied and Health Science. My teacher name is Ma'am Nimra. Today we are here representing human body system. A human body system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function such as digestion, circulation or movement. And here we are representing six major human body system. And now over to Samreen.
Assalamualaikum. I will tell you about the skeleton system and muscular system. Skeleton system protect the self organs and give the body shape. There are 206 bones in adult human body. Now muscular system. Muscular system allow to body to move and control the movement, posture and balance and give the high energy. Now over to Arisha.
Hello everyone, I am here to define respiratory system. There are three parts: nasal passage, trachea and lungs. Lungs is the major organ in human body which gives up oxygen from air we breathe and expels the carbon dioxide unwanted in our body. And now digestive system. Digestive system is a long tube which start at the mouth and end at the anus. This system breaks down food into small nutrients like fats, carbohydrates and proteins and absorb our body. Now over to Muqaddas.
This is our circulatory system. There is a three-part in circulatory system: heart, veins, and arteries. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the body to heart, and arteries carry the deoxygenated blood from the heart to all our body. And this is our nervous system. There is a three main part in nervous system: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain is a main part in nervous system which control all the nervous system, and then there is a spinal cord which act as a primary pathway for the communication between brain and all other organs. And then there is a nerves. Nerves carry the chemical and biological signals to all over the body. This is the human body system from Group A.